Ever wondered why some people always seem to make the right investment moves? How they consistently grow their wealth, while others struggle to break even? Today, we're diving into the secrets of successful investors, breaking down their mindset, strategies, and habits in a way anyone can understand. This isn't about luck. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about thinking differently, planning ahead, and making smart decisions that compound over time. The first secret: mindset. Successful investors see the world differently. They focus on long-term growth, not short-term gains. While many panic during market dips, they see opportunity. They understand that volatility is not an enemy, it's a tool. Instead of asking, "How can I make money fast?" they ask, "What will grow steadily over time?" They embrace patience and discipline. Secret number 2: understanding risk. Every investment has risk, but successful investors don't avoid risk. They manage it. Think of it like crossing a river. You can jump blindly and hope for the best, or test the stones and move confidently. Knowledge is the bridge over uncertainty. Secret 3: research. Top investors spend countless hours studying markets, companies, and economic trends. They know every decision should be based on facts, not rumors or hype. Remember, information without action is useless. Action without information is reckless. Secret 4: long-term thinking. Successful investors know that wealth rarely comes overnight. They leverage compound interest, letting money grow steadily over time. Small, consistent investments often outperform risky moves. Secret 5: emotional control. Fear and greed are the enemy of investors. When markets crash, some panic. When markets soar, others chase without thinking. Successful investors stay calm, follow their plan. Secret 6: learning from mistakes. Every investor makes mistakes. The difference is what they do next. They analyze what went wrong, adapt, and avoid repeating errors. They treat failure as feedback, not catastrophe. Focus on mindset. Manage your risk. Research relentlessly. Think long-term. Control your emotions and learn from your mistakes. Apply these principles consistently, and you'll be building your own path to financial growth. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts or questions below. We post weekly insights to make complex business, finance, and technology ideas simple, so you can stay ahead in the modern world. Business, finance, and technology simplified for you. What topic should we simplify next? The secrets of successful investors. Mindset, risk, research, long-term thinking, emotional control, learning from mistakes, patience and discipline turn small investments into wealth. Investing is a journey. The more you learn, the better your results become. Thanks for watching Tomorrow Simplified, where complex ideas become simple.